How to turn off data tracking in Uber Eats. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you want more privacy while using Uber Eats, well, in this video I'll show you how to turn off data tracking inside the Uber Eats app. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Uber Eats app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, just tap on the profile icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. And once you tap on it, you'll be prompted to your profile section. Now from here, you simply have to scroll down and there you can see the option labeled as privacy. So simply tap on it. And now here, once you're inside the privacy, if you scroll down there, you can see the option labeled as data tracking. So simply tap on it. And now here, once you're inside the data tracking, simply uncheck that first option. And once you do that, you have successfully disabled the data tracking in Uber Eats app. And that's it. That's how you can take control of your data on Uber Eats. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.